how beautiful it is in this small box. 12 and a half. This book retails for rupees 532. One of them has sprayed edges. Hello bookworms. This is a box full of happiness and these are books. And I got this from the Kitab Lovers book fair. Guess how many I could fit in this small box? 12 and a half. Hey, don't laugh at me. I'm counting this classic as half. So, hi, I'm Surbhi. This is a book haul. So, let's see what books I have got from the book fair. So, the first book I have here is Eleanor Oliphant is completely fine. I have already read this, but it's nice to have a paperback with you, isn't it? Because it looks good on the bookshelf, and this book was in the crime section, and that too hidden at the end. I saw it and I grabbed it. So all these books are kind of hidden in the corners of the shelves and I had tough time finding the good ones. Now the next book I have is Beautiful Broken Things. Isn't the cover beautiful? And I have judged this book by its cover, and I also checked its rating on the internet and it's 4.2, and I think what's the harm in taking it anyways, because I have told myself to explore more authors, so why not read a beautiful book? And it is about female friendship, young adult book, so it's good to have. And see how beautiful it is and how beautifully it is shining. I just can't take my eyes off this book. Next book is The Beekeepers of Aleppo. This book I wanted from a very long time, and when I saw this, I took it. And this book will break your heart because the story is so moving, but it is quite beautiful. So everyone should read this book once in their lifetime because it's so beautiful. So I took this book because it is of humor genre, and the way I read thrillers, I need some light-hearted books. So here it is. We are all made up of glue, and this book has several letters and slips that makes this book quite interesting, and I am all up for it. And this cover is also very beautiful. Next I purchased is also categorized as humor genre, and that's why I took it. It is a debut novel of Peace Adzomedi, and it is a story about a woman who married to this rich guy, and what comes after is quite hilarious and witty, and this book is his only wife. I don't know how the book is, but it seems promising, so that's why it is here in my box. Next is one book that Amazon recommended me, but I brushed it off. But when I saw it on the shelf, I took it, and it is The Summer That Changed Us. Again, this book is about friends and some secrets. Books on friendship are the best. So, yeah, here it is. Next book is by Lynn Painter, Mr. Wrong Number, and this is the third book by her that I am going to read. I'm eager to read it because few days back I have read Better Than the Movies, and I want more of her books. And I found this book while recommending books to teenage girls, and I found it. I kept it to myself because I wanted to read it from a long time, but I thought it had smart, so that's why I had ignored it, but I will read it. So the next book I have is by Lisa Joel. I have not read this one, but I wanted it from ages because it is one of the most gripping thriller and hype book on internet, and this book is The Family Upstairs. And please don't judge me that I have not read it yet, being a thriller junkie, because it was quite hyped and I was just thinking if it is worth reading or not, but when I saw it I just took it. Okay, so before moving forward, just wanted to tell you the book's condition are quite nice. They are not used except few books, but yes, the pages have turned yellow, but I still love them because they are the books I wanted it from a long time. So yeah, that's it. Next book is again a thriller called The Perfect Why, Marry, Die, Repeat. It's a Sunday Time bestseller. It's a mind-bending thriller with a plot twist that can make you reread the page. So I had to get it because it seems promising, right? And as a thriller junkie, I had to keep this in my box. Now, next two books are also thrillers. One of them has sprayed edges, and the book is One of Us is Lying. And I know you will judge me for not reading this one yet, but hey, someone told me it was not worth reading, so that is my excuse. I didn't know the book has sprayed edges until my mother was fitting this book in my box. So I loved it, and I think it's a steal deal for me. So yeah. Next thriller is Elizabeth is Missing. First, I love the cover. Second, I love the synopsis that the protagonist doesn't remember anything except her friend Elizabeth is missing and how she solves the murder with the forgetful mind. That sounded so interesting in my head that I took this book, and the cover is actually so beautiful. Now, last two books are classic novellas. One is romance novella and called The Love Story. Sorry. The Love Story by Eric Segal. The first page is something that makes my heart full. I'll post its picture in the community tab, so do check it out. So it's a beautiful book. I have read few pages and I liked it. So I'm eager to complete this because it is so lovely. And last book I have is The Means and Manner of Obtaining Virtue. This cute little book is a classic from 60s. This has self-improvement tips by Benjamin Franklin along with his life experience. And you know what? This book retails for rupees 532 on Amazon. I was stunned and I wanted more Penguin Black Classic, but there was this guy who took all the best ones and I envy him for sure because it's my bad luck but and his good luck, but never mind. So yeah, these are all the books I took, and because of my mother I was able to fit them all in the box. I wouldn't be able to do it myself because I tried. Who won't be able to do it again. And if you are going to a book fair like this, load the box. Take your mother with you. They know how to fit everything in a box. Also, my mother purchased Godan by Munshi Premchand for rupees 180, and it is from Hindi section which is not included in load the box, but yeah, I have not read it yet. I know the story, but I have not read it yet. So I will also read it. Let me know if I have made the right choices in picking up the books and which book should I read first. Have you read any of this or all of these? Do comment about that as well. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, share this with all your bookworms, and I will meet you next time. Until then, happy reading.